Bluey sprinted across the playground. The swings rattled on their own. Bingo shouted, "Bluey, do you see that? Could the park really be haunted?" Bandit ran closer fast. Chilli held Muffin tight. Rusty pointed to the slide. Could that shadow be alive? Suddenly the sandbox glowed bright. Indy gasped loud. A chest pushed itself out of the sand. Could treasure really hide here? Bluey knelt beside it. She whispered, "Should we open it?" Bingo shook her head quick. Could something dangerous be inside? The chest cracked open. A blast of light shot upward. Everyone stumbled back. Could it be magic escaping? From the light floated tiny glowing creatures. They swirled around laughing. Muffin shouted, "Fairies! Could they really be real?" The fairies dropped a golden map. Bandit picked it up careful. He read the symbols close. Could it lead to something huge? The kids followed the glowing trail. The playground stretched wider. Swings grew taller like towers. Could the world be shifting? Suddenly the ground opened wide. A staircase of light appeared. Rusty shouted, "Let's go!" Could this be the path to the unknown? Step by step they went down. The air shimmered with color. Bluey's heart pounded fast. Could they be walking into another realm? At the bottom stood a crystal fountain. Water glowed blue and green. Bingo whispered, "It's beautiful. Could this be the secret treasure?" But the fountain rumbled deep. A guardian rose tall from the water. Its eyes burned bright white. Could they survive this? Bandit shouted, "We mean no harm." The guardian raised a hand slow, then smiled wide. Could kindness be the key? The water calmed smooth. The fountain released shining gems. The kids cheered loud. Could this be their greatest find? The fairies returned giggling. They circled everyone bright, then lifted them back to the surface. Could this adventure be over already? Back in the park the chest was gone. Only the gems sparkled in their paws. Bluey grinned wide. She whispered, "We'll never forget this night." And listen, if you want the next hidden map to appear, press like, hit subscribe. That's how the magic opens for us and for you.